Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove background for free. So you can just basically remove a background, a photo background or video background using your Canva, but you need to upgrade your plan into Pro. So for instance, this is the picture and I want to remove the background right here. I just had to tap picture remover and it will remove the background. However, if you don't have Canva and if you're not using the Pro version of Canva, you just have to simply exit Canva and go to any web browser and then type remove background. So there are tons of sites and online platforms here. All you have to do is just select one. For example, this one. Okay, so we're going to use this. What you're going to do is you have to upload the file or picture. And then as you can see, I'm currently uploading the picture and I want to remove the background of this picture. Okay, a picture of a bird. I want to remove the background. And here it is. And the good thing about this site is that you can also edit this picture. You can add effects if you want. Okay. And then basically, once you're done, then what you're going to do is tap on download. In case if it's a video, then you have to look for remove background video. Then you will see tons of sites that can help you remove the video background. So as you can see, I am about to download this. And then here is the result. Double tap to see. And this is what it looks like. So that's how easy it is to remove background for free. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.